Hi, I am Lopa Mudrashen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a new lecture series on NTA UGC NET and West Bengal SET exam for Electronic Science subject. Those who are not follow my channel, please follow my channel. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our class. Welcome with a new lecture series on semiconductor device, that is Zener diode. It is very much important topic for you guys, those who are trying to crack NTA UGC NET exam for electronic science, and also it is very much important topic for West Bengal SET exam. In Unit 1 of the electronic science syllabus, this topic is placed. In previous class, I already talked about the semiconductor device and PN diode. Those who are not check out my channel, please follow and do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our class. Today I will discuss about what is Zener diode. So Zener diode are mainly referred to as a breakdown diode which operated in the breakdown region of the reverse voltage characteristic. These diodes are designed with sufficient power dissipation capacities to work in the breakdown region. Okay, so Zener diode operates with Zener mechanism. This is the circuit symbol of Zener diode. This side is P side and this side is N side. And this is the current voltage characteristic of a Zener diode. This is forward voltage, this is forward current, and this region is called forward bias region. This is reverse voltage, so here we write minus VR, and this is reverse current, so here we write minus IR, and this region is called reverse bias region. The forward curve is look like as it is PN diode forward characteristic curve. So nothing is new for Zener diode also. It's just look like PN diode. But for Zener diode, the reverse characteristic curve is very much important, because when we increase the voltage, reverse bias voltage, the current increases, but very small current increases, and this voltage is called knee voltage, that is Vz. And after the knee voltage, when we increase the small amount of reverse bias voltage, the current will increases sharply, and this region is called Zener region. This current is called Iz minimum, which is lie beside the knee voltage, and this current is called Iz max, and this region is called Zener region. And this reverse characteristic curve is very much important for Zener diode. Okay, so this is the current voltage characteristic curve of a Zener diode, and this is the circuit symbol of Zener diode. Zener diodes are available having Zener potential of 1.8 volt to 200 volt with power rating from 1/4 watt to 50 watt. Okay, so these are the basic fundamental properties of Zener diode. Okay. Thank you. With this, we have come to the end of our session. I hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.